Turmeric Facts. 5 Hidden Brain-Boosting Powers of Turmeric. Welcome back to the Nutrient Navigator. Today, we're diving into the golden spice that's been treasured for centuries, turmeric. Did you know that turmeric could be your brain's best friend? Stick around because I'm going to share 5 hidden brain-boosting powers of turmeric that might just blow your mind. Ready? Let's get started. Fact number 1. Turmeric helps create new brain cells. That's right, the star compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to stimulate the production of BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as a growth fertilizer for your neurons, helping your brain adapt, learn, and even heal. Isn't that incredible? Research even shows that higher levels of BDNF are linked to improved memory and faster learning. So whether you're preparing for an exam, learning a new skill, or just trying to keep your brain sharp, turmeric can be your secret weapon. Now on to fact number 2. Turmeric fights cognitive decline. Curcumin's powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help protect your brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. These are major culprits behind conditions like dementia and age-related memory loss. What's more, curcumin may improve overall blood flow to the brain, ensuring that your neurons are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to function at their best. Imagine something as simple as turmeric in your diet, helping to keep your brain sharp as you age. It's like a natural shield for your mind. Fact number 3. Turmeric may reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease. Studies suggest that curcumin can clear out amyloid plaques, those sticky proteins that build up in the brain and are linked to Alzheimer's. These plaques disrupt communication between neurons and are a key factor in the progression of the disease. In addition, curcumin's ability to reduce brain inflammation may further protect against Alzheimer's. And the best part? Some studies even show improved memory and cognitive function in individuals taking curcumin supplements. While more research is needed, the evidence so far is super promising. A little turmeric a day could go a long way in protecting your brain's future. Fact number 4. Pair turmeric with omega-3 rich foods for maximum brain protection. Omega-3 South, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are essential for maintaining the structure and function of your brain cells. And when combined with curcumin, these nutrients work hand in hand to fight inflammation and support overall brain health. Here's an idea. Try a turmeric-spiced salmon recipe for dinner, or sprinkle some turmeric into a walnut and flaxseed smoothie. These simple pairings could amplify your brain health benefits. Trust me, your neurons will thank you. And finally, fact number 5. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is easier than you think. One of my favorite ways is with a creamy, soothing turmeric latte. It's the perfect way to unwind and give your brain a boost at the same time. If you're not a fan of lattes, no worries. You can add turmeric to soups, stews, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables. And for those with a busy lifestyle, a high-quality turmeric supplement can provide the same cognitive support. Just remember to look for one that includes black pepper or piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Consistency is key. Small daily habits like incorporating turmeric into your meals or taking a supplement can lead to significant brain health benefits over time. There you have it, 5 hidden brain-boosting powers of turmeric. Whether it's protecting against Alzheimer's, encouraging new brain cells, or simply fighting inflammation, this golden spice is truly a brain health champion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and hit that subscribe button for more nutrient-packed tips and tricks. Oh, and let me know in the comments, how do you like to use turmeric in your meals? I can't wait to hear from you.